What's up, 757? I am in Hampton at Langley Speedway, and as you know by now, I'm just a little bit of an adrenaline junkie. You've seen me put on a bite suit and be bitten by a Navy SEAL attack dog. You've seen me swimming with sharks. Let's find out what I'm doing today. What's up, 757? I'm here at Langley Speedway with Mark Wertz. He's gonna help me out on my journey to check off all my adrenaline junkie dreams. Today, I'm gonna hop in a race car with this champion here. Mark, I have came out here for race night and seen you win. I've seen you zooming around the track dangerously with all the other cars. Today, it's just us. We're here because I'm gonna get in the race car with you. I'm so excited.
Well, I mean, it's all part of the putting the show on and letting you get the experience and somewhat feel what we feel on a Saturday night and get a real in-car out the windshield look at what we see. So you'll be sitting in there and you'll be surrounded by the roll bars and you'll be secure. I'm out for you for what we're gonna do here today.
I'm so excited. What is your favorite part about going fast?
I think it's just the challenge of racing side by side with the other guys that we're racing with on Saturday nights and the art of setting up and making a pass and just seeing how well the machine that we prepared is performing that particular night. So each weekend is a new challenge.
And I know you've been coming out on top a lot lately. You've been winning a lot. How much of that is you and how much of that is the car?
It's a cumulative average of all the above. It's no one piece. It's got to be a complete puzzle. So I would like to think that I still have the ability to do my job, but the car and the team all have to mesh and everything has to be right on for a win to happen, especially at this level against the competition we're racing against.
I love it. There's no I in team.
That's right.
Let's get me in a suit and let's get in the car.
So actually what we're going to do here is, before you get in, I want to explain to you what you're going to be putting on. This is a Hans device, and it was made very popular in the early 2000s when Dale Earnhardt Sr. had his misfortune at Daytona. What it does is, this goes over your neck, the seat belts will come down here when they latch, and then these tethers will hook to the back of your helmet. And what that does is protects your neck from any kind of hyperextension during a frontal impact. It's pretty much can save your life.
So cool! I have never had so much fun getting sweaty and messing up my hair.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. That was just a little sample of what it's like of working inside the office of a race car.
That was really cool. I found myself going, faster, go faster!
Well, what we did was we tried to definitely give you a sensation of the speed, keep safety in mind. We kept it all within reason of your health and safety.
Yeah, I'm sure my husband and my child thank you for that.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. Having a good time and letting you get the experience of what it's like on a Saturday night, life inside a NASCAR stock car.
Thank you so much for having me and letting me do this. This was so much fun.
Appreciate you having us and giving our team and our sponsor the exposure.
Of course. Maybe next time I can drive.
I'll see if I get your application for that.